Do you want to know how you can log into your Dall E account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Dall E account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC. Go to the Google search bar and then search for Dall E login, and then click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official login portal of Dall E. Go ahead and write down your email address, press continue, write down your password, press continue again, and then log into your Dall E account. Or else you can log in using your Google, Microsoft account or Apple ID. So go ahead and choose which is easy for you and choose your email address of choice, and then press continue, and you can see that you can now access Dall E. I hope this video about how you can log into your Dall E account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.